All right, we're doing an unscheduled personal 3-box break of Star Wars tech for Guacamole. Yeah, that has got to be the most. So here we go. Good luck. Come on, Fin Autos. Or a nice sketch. Or one of one. We're kind of due for a one of one. Here you go. Ready? You're the man. All right, Dooku, Tarful, Captain Panaka, another Dooku. Oh, redemption, Kwok. What do you think? Han Solo? Luke Skywalker? John Dutch Vander. You've got a... Ooh, you almost gave it away. I don't want to give it away. Admiral Piet to 99. It's nerve time, Kwok. Time to get real nervous. Let's see, how can I make sure we don't give this away? All right. Star Wars high-tech autograph. George Takei. Oh my. George Takei. We had that one earlier. You do realize you picked the worst 3 boxes in the case. It's already... Kwok's luck rules. According to Kwok luck, you definitely already picked the worst. Alright, Barada. Kiata Mundi. Yaddle. Stormtrooper. I think he's like a voice in the cartoon or something. I don't know. Queen Apilana. Numbered 69 of 99. Yeah. Just do the whole case, exactly. Probably can't go wrong. Tion Medon. Bruce Spence. Tion Medon Auto. Bryn Derlin. And you got the...
Oh, yes. Moments of power. Oh.
48 of 50. I love this card. Dagobah in the background. There's Luke right there. Wait, who's that? I don't know. R2 right there.
Yes. Oh. That is why you fail. Yes. Much anger I sense in you.
Yeah, that card is awesome. There's no way I'm sending out grading this week, by the way. It's impossible. There's a billion cards now. I'm just going to do it the real deadline, whatever the deadline said on there. Plus, we have Bowman's Best tomorrow. That might have some real gradable stuff, so I'll just wait. You got a rare parallel. Ask Ak. Captain Rex. Ponda Baba. Orn Frita. You got Poggle the Lesser Gold to 50. And Captain Antilles. 23 of 50. Captain Antilles 10 of 25. Not the greatest autographs. Sebulba to 95 and your rare parallel Captain Antilles. You picked the worst 3 boxes, Kwok, I'm telling you. Except for this card.
Moments of power, yes.
That card rules. That card rules. I wonder, does George Takei sell for anything? Well, it was exciting thinking you might get a Han Solo autograph for 2 seconds. We will always have that. You didn't really get any of the rare, like super rare parallels yet. This one's somewhat rare, but not really. I mean, there's like 4 of them in the case, I think. Yeah, I'll save that one for you. Now I just want to break more. Let me check this for grading.
Yes. 9.5.
It looks good. Oh, some crap on it, but it's not stuck on there. There's a little scratch up here. It's very thin though. I've sent tech cards that looked all scratched, and they still got 10 surface. It's weird. 60 for Takai? Well, that's good. It's most of the box back right there on that one. Tion Medon doesn't sell for anything, I don't think. I don't know about Captain Antilles.